Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect two sketches in SolidWorks. Connecting sketches is a fundamental skill for creating complex three-dimensional models. We'll explore several effective methods to link your two-dimensional drawings, ensuring your designs are robust and easily modifiable. Whether you're aligning features or building intricate assemblies, mastering these techniques will significantly enhance your SolidWorks workflow. Let's dive into the practical steps to achieve seamless sketch integration. One primary way to connect sketches is by using geometric relations. For instance, you can make a point from one sketch coincident with a point or line from another. Simply select the two entities, then choose the desired relation from the property manager. This method is excellent for precisely aligning features or ensuring that one sketch's geometry directly influences another's position. It provides robust control over your design intent. Another powerful technique involves using convert entities or offset entities. First, start a new sketch on a plane or face. Then, select the lines, arcs, or points from your first sketch that you wish to reference. Clicking Convert Entities will project these directly into your active sketch. Alternatively, offset entities allows you to create a parallel copy, perhaps at a distance of 10 millimeters, which is perfect for creating walls or clearances. For more advanced connections, consider using a derived sketch or working with multi-body parts. A derived sketch is essentially a copy of an existing sketch that remains linked to the original, updating automatically if the original changes. You can also create separate three-dimensional bodies from each sketch, then use Boolean operations like combine or cut to merge or modify them. This offers immense flexibility for intricate designs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.